All right. So all over my LinkedIn and on Blue Sky, I'm seeing a bunch of awesome folks talking about Gemini CLI, which is Google's open source AI agent to use Gemini. I've used Gemini a little bit, but I thought after seeing all these posts, I was getting some FOMO. So I'm just gonna try to go through it. So let's see. All right. So try out more. Here's the documentation. Let's go here. Gemini CLI, your open source AI agent. Let's speed run this. All right. Lots of cool things. Some marketing. I get it. Been there. Um, where are the instructions? Hey, okay, cool. So we'll go to GitHub. GitHub. And then I want to install it. Looks good. I want a homebrew. You probably have it maybe, but I want to brew eventually for it. So let me make sure I'm in my test folder. Yes, Gemini CLI, cool. So then I'm going to do npm install. Yep. -g -google -gemini / Gemini CLI. Look at that magic. npm install. Yep. All right, I did it. I probably typed something wrong, so let's try this again. Yeah, I added it. That was a typo on my part. Not my bad. All right. So it's installing. It's doing the magic. Hey, look at that. Wow, sweet. That was fast. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. All right. Tips for getting started. Ask questions, edit files, yay. Run commands, be specific for the best results. Create Gemini markdown files to customize your interactions with Gemini. Fair enough. /help for more information. All right, we got to see what the help menu looks like. Wow, that is, I'll just go full screen here. Docs, clear. Sweet. All right. That is straightforward. Am I logged in? Maybe /auth. Let me just make sure I'm logged in with the right account. I think I got to log in with my Gmail, my personal Gmail. Okay. Where is it? Where are you? All right. Worst demo ever. Okay. So let me just do hello there. Oh, I thought I had to auth into it. Maybe because I tried it earlier. Log in with Google. Okay. Log in with Google opens up a browser that's super clean. Log in with my Gmail. Looking good so far. Make sure you download it from Google. Let's hope I did. Yes, I did. Okay, you did it. Close it. Close your. All right, cool. So I think to start, let's actually just make like a simple Sudoku game. Okay. Okay. Imagine you're a game developer and I'm your colleague. Right now, I'm bored and I really want to play a game of Sudoku. Okay. Create a browser-based game of Sudoku that is a single HTML, CSS, JavaScript file so that I can play it locally on my machine. Use local storage so that it can keep track of my scores. Probably please make sure to accept keyboard and mouse inputs, and have the design be clean, modern, intuitive, as you'd expect from a quality web app. All right, so let's see if it can make Sudoku. Let's see. Responding to the request, I like that it's communicating what it's doing, initiating the build, mapping the components. Okay, so it looks like it's updating in place. I'll create a sleek, modern, fully functional Sudoku game in an HTML file. It'll do all the things. Oh, it's giving me a plan of what it wants to do. I like this. Cool. Timer, difficulty, scoreboard, yay. Okay, CSS styling. Yeah. This looks good. Now it's offering to make changes, and I can either allow once, allow always, modify with external editor. Let's just say, let's go God mode. Always allow, always. I like the UI. They definitely had some fun here. This is cool. Okay. I like that I at least know what's happening. You can open Sudoku in your browser and enjoy a unique game every time. Whoa, that was a little jumpy. What did it just do? Okay, let's see if that worked. Open the game in my browser for me. Are you okay if I run the following command? Open Sudoku? Yes, that's fine. Hey, look at that. Sweet. Easy, medium, hard. Love it. Love to see it. Oh, Sudoku usually has those borders. Hey, so Sudoku usually has darker borders. Every third box, both horizontally and vertically. Can you make sure this is the case? Here, thanks. You gotta tell our robot overlords that you're appreciative in case they ever come for us. Okay, so let's see if it does it. It's actually not bad for, I like the, yeah, this is good. So I can, okay, looks like I can just refresh. Okay, it's still doing stuff. Faster than I'd expect compared to other things that I've seen. So this is a good so far, liking what I'm seeing. Okay. Wow, it's really, I was really thinking about this one. 38 seconds, fair enough. Adjusting for visual clarity, finalizing visual updates. Okay, fair enough. Good old nth child. So that means I should be able to refresh. I'm not seeing the lines. Okay, new game. That's cool. I like that. Okay, out of the box is actually pretty good. I'm impressed by this. Okay, I'll use the code. It's doing things. Identifying the culprit. The uppercase C. Look at that. Okay. Formulating a capital S solution. All right. Well, it's impressive. It's checking itself a lot to see is it making the right decision. So that is actually interesting. The extra compute it's putting into double checking itself versus me having to like have another agent to double test it. Okay. It's weird though that it's taken a minute to add borders, but I'll give it some grace. It's probably under a lot of server weight. Since it's launch day, I get it. Okay. Well, it didn't add the borders, but I'm pretty sure I could fix that out. So I'm going to go. Okay, next project. Create a web app game for Tetris. I want it to be a single file app again in the same directory. Okay, so let's see how it handles Tetris. I probably should like do some open source game or some like older game that's not copyright, but YOLO. Okay, it's doing things. It's telling me how it's going to approach it, which I do appreciate. Although it is weird that it updates in place, so sometimes it flickers past and I don't see it, but fair enough. Let's see. Okay. Tetris. I'll go Tetris.html. Hey, this is awesome. Okay, this is good, but I probably hit it too soon because it doesn't seem to be going all the way to the right, but I love the design of it. This is fun. Looks like it's still working. I think I jumped the gun, folks. But let me just keep refreshing the poor thing. Oh, it's telling me that it knew it messed up, so that's interesting. Wow, it is like thinking very intentionally about what it's doing, which is a little different than Cursor and Claude and Q. Like this is very much like I feel like I'm getting a very clear communication from it what it's trying to do. Well formatted. Apply the correct changes. Okay. Adding and replacing logic, consolidating the fixes. Bum, bum, bum. Integrating UI elements. Wow, this better be good. This update better be good. Let's see. A little slower than tried it earlier and I thought it was a little faster, but okay. I'm having trouble with the replace tool. I'll take a different approach. Start, pause, and game over functionality. Fine. Mike, of course I broke it. Guess I'll just wait. Oh. Okay, let's see if this worked. It's not starting when I open the page. Are there missing controls? I don't see any controls. What am I doing wrong, folks? Okay, controls not visible, but looks like they're going to update it. Doesn't seem like it's keeping a lot in state, but to like have context of what it did before, but I don't know. I don't see what's going on. So let's see if I can open this directory in VS Code using the code command. Okay, let's look at the code to see why the menu's not updating. I am assuming it's like making new file names and that's why it's not working. Okay. Tetris. What's going on here? It's just not working. I don't know. All right. Well, promising, but not there. Let's try another one. Let's try to make a simple to-do app. I have a prompt that I've used before. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Okay. I'm just gonna like make a new file because I'm not patient enough for that. Okay. CD documents. Gemini CLI, cool. Okay, Gemini, yay, awesome. All right, so I have another agent open. I'm going to give it a huge prompt. I'm going to tell it to okay, I'm going to tell it to make a to-do app. A minimal to-do app that has subtle design for productivity on your browser. Okay, so I'm going to put that to work to see what that does. Also on that, I'm going to go back to the old issue. Let's see what's happening. Tetris should work now. Oh, start game. Yay. Yay. Oh, man. That makes me happy. Can you have the option for background music if I want? MIDI. Arcade vibe. Okay, awesome. Whoa, it doesn't go all the way to the right. That's annoying. Oh, maybe the border was too much. That's fine, though. Loving it. Loving it. Up. When I rotate it, it becomes a single square. That is funny. Why is it doing that? Okay, I don't know, but let's look at the other Gemini I have open. All right, while it's doing that, I'll keep playing my Tetris. It like got pretty close, but it's all good. I love that I rotate it and it changes the size. It's like a different way to play Tetris. Oh wow, it just changes shape totally. Okay, love it. Love it. This is chaos. Absolute chaos. Okay. Pause. All right. I want the to-do app to be a single file as well. It's interesting that like it said for a minute I had 96% context left and now it's 100% context. So maybe that restarts when I restart the browser. It's interesting. Okay, making to-do.html. Is this going to just open for me? Whoa, that is pretty ugly, but I think I told it to say synthwave or something. That's on me. Let's see. This is a test. Should I do this thing? This is another task. That's cool. All right. I don't love the design. Give me something akin to Notion or Evernote. Vibes, please. Also use standard icons. Let's drop the synthwave and go for clear and clean. All right, sorry synthwave. Gone but not forgotten. And meanwhile, poor Tetris app is just lost. 203 seconds. Yeah. Whoops. Broke it. Okay. Looks like it's working. Looks like I'm putting it to work. So yeah, this is cool. I like it so far. I mean, whoa, what did you do? What'd you do? I'm just gonna open another window because YOLO. Let's go to the folder I made. Who is Chris Triganos? I should probably say Gemini first. Waiting for auth. I'm auth in. Okay. Who is Chris Triganos? Because this is like a general Google question. Oh, it is going to search Google. That's cool. That is actually very useful. I've been using CLIs a lot more just as my normal browser, so or prompt, so that's cool. Good synthesis. I'll take it. What's on the website? Oh, no. Tell me about the website trag.dev. What's it about? Okay, I'll let that do its thing. To-do app has been updated. Okay. Hey, look at that. Looks like a clean website. Look at that. Checkboxes. This is another one. Love it. I mean, pending, completed. That's cool. Dig it responsive. Look at that. Fancy. Cool. All right. To-do app. Well done. Put you out of your misery. I'm happy with it. Music. Did Tetris do it? Add music toggle button. Yeah, it's mashed potatoes here. Yeah, I don't know, but whatever. All good. Tell me about trag.dev. That is me. I do things. Yeah, this is cool. Fair enough. Can you read my Google Drive? Probably not, because I'm assuming it's sandbox mode, but let's see. Why not? Why can't we? I cannot access your Google Drive. I can only access files. Yeah, fair enough. All good. I think that's all I wanted to test. That was actually pretty cool. Maybe what I should do is, can I just do like command line in this app? Present working directory. Probably knows I'm trying to say command. Yeah, okay, it'll just like run the shell command for me. That's cool. All right. So I would say interface is very clean. I love the code formatting, color formatting. Sometimes it was very fast. Sometimes it was very slow. I did throw obviously some oddballs at it. I think perfectly good launch, like perfectly good first batch, because I bet there's going to be a lot of like updates from here. So well done, team. This is cool. I'm excited to use it more. And I think next thing I'll probably do is have some data files or research files in the same folder, and then have a prompt that pulls the other files. And I think that'll give me like a better sense of what's going on. All right. Poor music. We're just going to give up on that, but this was fun. Okay. Till next time.